y'all. We're gonna get this going for tomorrow. Oh, my nose is hurting. I got something on my nose. That shit hurt like a motherfucker. But let's do what I gotta do. All this stuff down here is stuff that I use. I know I got styrofoam plates. I got all the stuff I cook with in here. This is all from my last truck. But I need one of these right here. Just grab one of these trays right here. And I'll talk to you in a second. Hold on. And you gotta pull it back. Y'all see where it's going, do you? No, y'all don't see where it's going. Grab my. Let me see which bag it is. Yep, this is it. Yep, it's this one, y'all. Grab my brown sugar out. God damn it, it bounced right off the bed. Like an idiot. No white peppers right there. My steak blend is right there. This is all for tomorrow. That's my trash bag. There it is. This is my pork shoulder roast right here, y'all. Y'all know I got my charcoal grill. Even though I don't use charcoal on it, I do cook on it all the time. I didn't cook on it tonight because I needed something faster to cook on it with. And you see this fat right here? I'm leaving all that on. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I need to know, are y'all fucking ready? Let me pause y'all real quick. I had to grab my onion powder up here. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I know this is the night before. And what I'm gonna do, instead of using mustard or olive oil or none of that shit, I'm gonna get Taco Bell sauce as the binder. There we go. Trust me, I got plenty more up there. Smoked paprika. White pepper. I gotta put it on heavy because I gotta get it to soak into the meat. I need the parsley flakes. I gotta open it, and as y'all see, brand new thing of parsley flakes, y'all. Fresh parsley flakes. Well, not fresh, but you know what I mean. And as y'all see, I put it on heavy. onion powder. Hold on, y'all. Let me shake it up real quick to loosen it up. Put onion powder on top. Let me grab some garlic, y'all. Let me grab a spoon. I don't want to put my hands on it because if I put my hands on it, it's going to kind of make it a messy situation. Yeah, take this. Oh, you know what? I know what I can do. I can use plastic real quick. Put that over here, grab it. Grab it on the outside and rub it in with my hands. And then I'm gonna grill this with the fucking mesquite chip or chunks. If y'all follow my channel, if you guys have Facebook, share my shit on Facebook, y'all. This is how we do. Damn, how do I? I'm trying to figure out how to shred this shit real quick. Hold on. You know what? Fuck. Alright, y'all see me. I'm about to take this, flip it over. Sheet. There we go. I'm about to put a bunch of seasoning on this side. Alright, y'all. Trying to do what I do. Some more taco sauce as a binder. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I side with Crib Mac. Fuck Custer Face. He did a bitch his whole career. But hey, I ain't in it. I want smoke. Smoked paprika. There we go. Some more chili flakes. white pepper. There we go. A little bit of cilantro, just a little bit. There we go. Some more, of course, some more parsley flakes. There we go. What am I forgetting? Oh. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, here we go. Some onion powder. Salt. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all can't see. Salt. Grab the same knife. Grab some minced garlic, y'all. And I got one question. Well, it's not a question, more of a statement. My statement is, fuck Whack 100. You chump, you ain't from the hood, you know what I mean? I don't bang, I don't claim to. But Whack 100, man, he ain't doing nothing but fighting our demographic. I'll just leave it like that. He ain't doing nothing but dividing our demographic. I'm all about helping our demographic. There we go. That's why I support C-Mac. That dude, he supports our demographic. This man gives food to the homeless. You're trying to fight Blueface just to get some money to help out more homeless people, y'all. Come on now. Y'all got to support that kind of person. Let me scrape some of this to the side. And scoop it over. And boom. There we go. And if y'all gangbangers in LA, man, this city gotta build together, y'all. We all out here together. You know, I don't bang. I'm from LA, but I'm a civilian, y'all. So we gotta do what we can to build our community back together again. I'm put it like this, fuck Mill 74. If he got a problem, we can catch that fade real soon. I don't like the way Milk 74 divide LA. He always come after people that look like me. And I'm with the smoke, y'all. I'm a civilian, but I ain't never turned down a fade. Here we go. So this, you guys, will be cooked tomorrow. If not tomorrow, the day after. And if it's cooked the day after, it's going to taste even better because all that salt and sauce will be blended into the fat and everything. Put some trash. And this, but hey, this is what it looks like when you marinate a pork butt roast. Marinate it like that. Get it heavily seasoned, heavily covered. Okay. You put it up on your channel and you do it like this. Take some aluminum foil, put it over the top. That's what I'm about to do. I gotta find it. I forgot where I put it at. And you let it go. You let it sit for a while. And then when I'm done tomorrow, I'll put my grill out, fill it up all the way, completely capacitated with mesquite wood. Put this over the top of it with aluminum foil, with holes in the top of the aluminum foil. What should I do? You know what? We'll figure it out tomorrow. But hey, holla. Deuces. I'm sorry. I completely forgot. I need some brown sugar on these things. So I can caramelize this brown sugar over the top of it. Take a handful and sprinkle it on top. I'm not done. I just forgot about this step. Sorry, I like brown sugar taste. Ooh, that's good. I'm sorry, I need some more. Y'all see? Light brown sugar. That's so good, y'all. You guys don't understand. I'm gonna put it on the grill tomorrow with no foil on top. I gotta do it my own way. I can't do it everybody else's way. I want to create that caramelized bark on it. And this is how I'm going to do it in my truck. I got to do shit my way. Fuck everybody else's way. Sorry, I got to pass some of this brown sugar down here on the burnt ends. We need some burnt ends on this bitch, guy. But hey, Trucker's Life. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hold on. What's up, y'all? We back with another one, y'all. With another one. With Truckerslife. Put the grill out. I just started it going because this pork roast is gonna take some hours, and I got some hours to kill today. Y'all saw the video. I seasoned it last night, and hey, get it. put y'all right here. Roast has been marinating in that seasoning all day and all night. Reach back here and grab it. Top of it to soak up all that flavor. Actually, I'm not even gonna cover it until it's done. So what I'm gonna do is gonna check it real quick. Check with the road though. But hey, it's trucker's life. You gotta know how I get down, but I'm out. Let's see what it look like, y'all. Let's see. Oh, y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all tell me what y'all think. You gotta get that crust on the outside. There we go, y'all. We cooking. Cooking, baby. We cooking. But y'all see, we do this, right? Ain't no doubting what I do, baby. Ain't no doubt. wood on, so you take this off. Take this chunk of meat off. Put it right in there real quick. I got a tray right there with some liquids in it. Put some more, put a couple pieces of this wood I threw off on. This is what I do. This is how I cook in my truck, y'all. No, we're not technically in a truck, but this is what I do. Shit. That fell off. This is how you smoke a pork butt roast in a truck at a truck stop. This is going on hour number 2. I gotta put the lid back on because the fire started to come back up. Yeah, see, look, the fire come back on, you cover it up, smother that fire back out. But look, it's gonna go down. See, it went down. That's why I keep that right there. That's all the seasoning. Y'all, we will be back, baby. All right, y'all, we almost inside the truck stop. Sorry, had to walk around a bunch of trucks. Let's see if I can find some taste tests. Hey, we got a taste test. She about to taste it. Let's see. Grab one. Come on.
Oh my god. Okay.
Everything is from scratch.
It smells hella bomb. It smells really good.
You see me there?
Watch the look on her face.
It tastes hella bomb. The flavor. The flavor is all there.
That is a pork butt roast.
Look at that.
The coleslaw from scratch. The pork butt roast, it started off as a raw pork butt. I know when you probably pulled up, you saw the guy. I'm telling you, look, watch this. This is a lady that said she didn't eat pork.
I don't eat pork, but she's gonna do it.
I know how you are.
The flavor's there.
And this is made 100% from scratch in my truck.
It's good. That's bomb. It's really good.
I made 2.
Nope.
This is how I do my taste test. This is how I promote my YouTube channel, is by having people actually try my food.
Oh no, that's cool. That's dope. That's how it.
She says she didn't eat. She don't eat pork. You stop. Hold on. Pause. She said she don't really eat pork, which means she eats it, but she don't want to. Hey, we might have another taste test. I know you guys been in the parking lot. You guys saw the barbecue grill going in the front of a truck. That was me.
Next guest? Oh, I could give you another. Let me see if I have it.
Now we talking.
Hello. I go.
They liking the food, y'all.
Okie dokie. Anything else for you, hon?
I want more money.
You okay?
We all want more money, bro.
Marlboro red shorts. I forgot I was on the phone.
Thank you.
Yeah, wherever you want. Wherever you go. $13.99, but
20 on 9.
Oh, 20 on 9.
Is it good?
The after flavor is really good though.
This is all
20 on 9.
made in my truck from scratch.
20 on 9. Well, good job. I'm gonna go on there and holler.
She's surprised. She's speechless.
I want like 2. They're delicious. Oh my god.
Hey, Thank you. I appreciate it. This is, like I was telling the other two ladies, this is how I promote my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
This is how I promote my YouTube channel, is by having random taste tests.
That's really good.
Yeah, you did a good job. I like that.
Yeah, that is awesome.
Love her. I like the after. I like it all.
That is delicious.
Just a coffee.
The coleslaw from scratch.
209.
Everything, I do my own seasoning and everything. I don't get nothing pre-seasoned, none of that. But hey,
That's what you can do at home.
Right?
good night.
Look at that.
Hey, I think it's a successful taste test, right? Was that successful?
Oh, it's bomb. No, even right now, I can still taste it. Yeah.
Everything is fresh. I don't use anything that's all my vegetables. I don't get frozen.
The moment I get off right now, I'm gonna devour it.
But yeah, like I said, I have a YouTube channel about how I cook in my truck.
Look at it.
But hey, you guys, I'm gonna shut the video down because we inside. But holla at y'all.